All right, so what's up, guys? Not much. As you can see, we got some El Cheapo wheels. I just got these in a trade. Actually, it was more like I got these wheels. I sold these wheels like months ago, and then somebody else brought them from the guy, and then I got them back. So it's been like a four-person trade-off. I had these wheels years ago, but I guess I got them back. Somehow I got them back. Don't know how, but so they're back. Now, they are still in a bad condition as I left them in. The tires are a little bit more worn out than the other person, but I think I'm gonna put these wheels on the EP, but they obviously need some bigger tires because I think the tire size on them right now, yeah, a 215. So it's a 17 by 8.5, and it's on a 215 tire, so it's got a good amount of stretch on it, but we're not gonna be running stretch tires on the EP. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna strip these down to nothing and paint them. So if you have any suggestions on colors that'll go on a black EP3, let me know. So all right, guys, let's get to stripping and sanding and possibly painting these. All right, so as you can see, we already I kind of sanded the face down a little bit. I did kind of cheat. I used this, but just 'cause I didn't feel like sanding this forever. But yeah, so I guess we'll just keep sanding down the edges. I'm just trying to get some of the defects out of the rim, just because the rims are free and they're kind of a piece of shit. So all right, keep going. All right, so about to paint these wheels. We're gonna do them black. Wasn't trying to go all out and do anything crazy. I figured, I don't know, we might not have this car too much longer anyway, so just clean them up a little bit. They were a little like scratched. They were matte black at first. Sanded them down, did full sand. Now we're just gonna paint them, see how it goes. Paint might come out like crap, so who cares? We're just painting them just so they look better. All right, let's get to painting. All right, guys, so I painted these ones after I forgot to video record, but yeah, so this is actually finished up. They're cleared and everything. Yeah, ran out of tape, so there's a little bit of paint on that tire, but who cares. These tires are going in the back, and they're putting some drag radials on these ones, so we don't have the radials yet. So need to order some radials. So don't know what I'm going with. Might go with some M&H ones. But yeah, so it looked pretty good. I mean, pretty glossy. Look at that Nighthawk pearl blue, man. Look at that pearl in there, man. I like that. I think you can see it. Maybe. Hopefully. I don't know. This GoPro is the new GoPro, so it better pick up. that paint color in there. Paid a lot of money for this thing. So yeah, so Nighthawk Pearl Black, same thing as the car. So it should match the car pretty good. Got a little blue pearl on them when the light hits them. But yeah, so wheels are painted. I guess I might throw a shot in here once I take off the tape. I'll probably let these dry for like a day, or who knows, maybe a day, 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, who knows. We'll get to it one day. But yeah, so wheels are painted. They all came out good, nice glossy. Not bad for a cheap indoor, no paint booth, anything, just rattle can it. So yeah, looks good. I guess I might throw a shot in here when they get them on the car. We'll see. So, but yeah, wheels are painted. I went with black. Did the inside of the lips too. Did those. So yeah, everything should be good. But all right, guys. So we'll see later.